cut the foam seal B with adhesive backing to the proper length and attach it to your window. Take the window panel, the one with a hole in it, with the smooth side facing towards you, and attach the insect guard to prevent bugs from climbing in through your exhaust hose. It should snap right into place. You can snap the rain guard into the insect guard to prevent rainwater from leaking into the hose. For windows that slide up and down, the fins of the rain guard should be installed parallel to the window panel. The holes are universal, so the rain guard can be snapped in any orientation. The exhaust cover should be pre-installed when you receive the window panel, but if it fell out, slide it into the grooves on the window panel. In this video, the window is less than 28 inches long, so the window panel, the one with the hole in it, was cut to the window size off video so it could be installed quicker. To use the fixed clip and mounting plate to quickly adjust the window panel length, insert the fixed clip into the hole on the window panel and slide the other end of the clip into the groove on the adjacent window adjustment panel. Use the mount plate to tighten the panel into place so it doesn't move. Install the window panel into the windowsill and close it securely. Take some of the foam seal A, the non-adhesive type, and use it to fill the gap between the sliding window. Depending on your window type, there may be a small gap on the sides of the window panel, which can be filled with a non-adhesive foam seal A. Optionally, you can install the window bracket to the window frame with a screw in order to prevent the window from opening. If you are a renter, your landlord may not want you to install the bracket as it may damage the window. Extend the end of the hose and twist the rear clip onto the hose. Do the same thing on the other end of the hose for the joint to the window panel. Slide the joint into the groove on the back of the unit. To remove it, press down on this tab and slide the joint back up. Attach the rear clip to the window panel by snapping it into place. And you may have to readjust your foam on the edges of the window panel to make sure there is a tight seal. You can do this one of two ways. You can set the hook into place on the unit and then insert the screw into the hole, or, as you can see like I did for the second hook, it was a little easier to insert the screw into the hook first and then screw it into place. Now you can securely wrap the cord around the hooks when the unit is not in use. You can now power the unit on, set it to cool mode, open the air louvers, and make sure that the unit is running correctly. There's a few other things we want to cover in this video, so keep watching. There are two ways to drain the Aovia portable air conditioner of water. There is a black rubber plug on the bottom of the unit that, once opened, will cause excess water to drain out. It is very important that this plug is reinserted when done. Twist open the continuous drainage cap on the back of the unit and remove the rubber plug from the spout. Insert the drainage hose into the drain connector and excess water will drain out of the unit. Because this continuous drainage is gravity fed, there is no pump, it is important that the hose be sloped downwards, otherwise it will not work and it may cause a malfunction. To access the filter, gently pry open the tab on the back of the unit. Slide the black filter out of the side of the filter cover. After washing the filter and let it dry, repeat this step in reverse to slide the filter back into place and snap the filter cover back onto the unit.